Welcome to this session of how you can navigate through background removal. So you can do this on Corel Draw, and I'll also be showing you how you can achieve background removal on across other online platforms. But first, let's take this first part of handling it with Corel Draw. Okay, I have a sample images here that I'll be using to illustrate how we can achieve removing of background. Okay, let's go with the one at the center first. Let's say, for instance, this is an image and we want to get the logo of this organization, that is the one at the center, the round center logo. So, how do we remove the other parts of the background that we don't need? You can see that it is a circle. So, how do you proceed? First, use a circle, get a perfect circle, hold and drag while holding down your control key. Yeah. Then try to let me outline it red, or let me choose another. Okay, yeah. Let me give it a white outline. Then try to bring it to the center of the image. Just get yourself a circle that covers the area you want to crop. You can you can take this to mean background removal by shape cropping. I want to remove the background. I don't want to get the white part, just the logo, the blue. Okay. You can zoom in to get your, yeah, I've gotten the particular area I want. So what do I do? This is my circle, and I'll hold down my shift key. My circle is selected, but to make sure that it's selected, you can see. Then I hold down my shift key and select the image at the background. So I've selected two things. If you check here, you see two objects selected on layer one. So I've selected two objects. So what do I do now? I will intersect. There's a tool called intersect here. The first one is world. It has a different function. This one is a trim. This one is intersect. So what do I do? I intersect. Click on intersect. Intersect means we remove the only get me crop out an area that is within this circle I drew, and I cannot take away the other parts that are not necessary. So this is once I click on intersect, I have it. First, you can see you drag out. This is the circle I used. Then this is the product of the intersect. Then this is the original image. You know, so I delete this original image and delete the circle. So I now have this logo cropped out perfectly. I can use it to start maybe a design work on this organization. I hope that is clear on this one. Okay, then let's move to the second image. This one, you can see a series of books here on this image. And let's say we want to crop out the second book here by Tyler Jones. We want to make use of it in our design. And you can see that it has a rectangular shape. So to crop this using to remove the background using cropping, you select the rectangular tool. It is as similar as the first process we did. Use a rectangular tool and get a near perfect rectangle for the book. Yeah, I think this covers the area I want at a first dragging. If it does not cover, just check well and maybe drag it how you want it and make sure that other areas that are not needed does not come into the rectangle. Okay, so this is the rectangle. Let me give it a white outline too. No, it won't work. Or let me, yeah, or a yellow outline. Yeah, you can see it. I'll still leave it at black. You can see the rectangle here. So the same process, select the rectangle, that is this, it's already selected. Then hold down your shift key and the select the image totally. You have two objects selected. Remember, you first select the rectangle. Don't select the image first before this one. It comes uh, in an orderly pattern. Select the rectangle first, hold down shift key and select the image. And remember the intersect tool here. Once you click on it, the intersect is done. Drag out. This is the rectangle we use for the work, and this is the result of the intersect, and this is the original image. Now we don't need this, we delete. We don't need this, we delete. We have succeeded in cropping out this book as well. So you can do whatever you want to do with it. So I've shown you two kinds of it using the circular and the rectangle. All these are shapes that you can use to attain background removal easily. Then there is another way of doing. Okay, this is another image, the last image here. We can achieve this. Okay, you can see we want to crop out this book. This is a book now. These two books I want to crop them out, leaving aside the wooden background or table and this verse here. We don't need them. We only need the books. So how do we go about it? There is no shape. If you check, there is no shape that gives us this kind of that will cover this kind of book in Corel Draw. So what do we do? We have to create our own shape. This is now background removal using line tool. Yeah. So how do we go about it? You go here, select your line tool to be on the best side. We use a 2 point line to achieve this, and then zoom in to get clear view as possible. So this is, you start from the edge. You know how to use a line to click, hold and drag. Click again, hold and drag. I guess you are understanding what I'm doing. I'm making a line that covers the shape of this book. So this is me dragging in order to get a clear view. Okay, you can see the line started here, it is flowing through here. So to continue, I still go to this node, click and drag. Let's drag it down a bit. Okay, then I still go to this node again, click and drag. If you want to get it on a straight line, just hold your shift key or yeah, click and drag. Let's leave it here. Then I continue. I'm going towards this other side now. If I locate the node, click and also drag. You can see it. Locate the node, click and drag. Repeat the same process Our plan is to get only the covering of the book. So we continue the process. So this is us using lines to get the actual shape of the book we want. Yeah, then we now come to this stage. So what do? We join this node to this node to make a to activate the shape or to make it a shape. Now it is a shape. It's no longer a line because all the nodes have been joined together. You can see that the shape is located. If I take it away, you can see this is the shape now. This is the shape. Let me undo. The shape is on the range of coverage we want it to be on the book. So how do we proceed now? You still make use of your intersect tool. First, make sure that the shape is selected. That is this shape. The shape is selected. Then hold your shift key and select the background image and then click on intersect. Let's see if we succeeded. Remove this is the shape, then this is the result of the intersect, and this is the original image. We don't need this, we delete. You don't need this, we delete. So this is what we need. We need this book. We want to use it for a design. And you can see you have successfully removed the background of this book easily, and your image returning the exact quality it came with. So I hope this kind of process is clear for us to navigate around removing background easily with Corel Draw. So on the next video or on the next episode, I'll be showing how we can achieve that through online platforms, maybe one or two, including those that integrate the technology of artificial intelligence in background removal. Thank you for watching. Drop your comments or additions using the comment section. Thank you.